All right, folks, we're at our second install of the day, and this is going to be an Emporia 48 amp smart home charger. We're going to be installing it in the garage. So here's our garage wall right here. We've got our square D home line panel that we're going to be coming out of. We'll be putting access in right below it, coming out the side of that in 3/4 inch EMT, running down the wall. We'll have a junction box here, the charger mounted right above it. All right, so we're wrapping things up at this install. Again, this is a 48 amp Emporia charger in a garage. Pretty simple installation. We got our 60 amp breaker labeled, and then we just ran in flex conduit in the wall, and we come out right here, running our 3/4 inch EMT over to the junction box, and then our Emporia charger. In this case, just because of storage, the customer would prefer to put the cord above the charger, so there's flexibility. Just want to make it as user-friendly as possible. Well, that's all I've got for today. We will see y'all next time. Take care.